Hey there! First, go ahead and scan the QR code to download our app. Once it's installed, open it up and accept the terms and conditions. If this is your first time using the app, just tap here to create an account. Once you've signed up, enter your info and hit Log In. Now, switch on your e-bike and make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. You'll see your bike appear. Just tap Connect. Nice, you're all set. You can now check all your bike's info right on your phone. After unlocking, you'll see a bike icon in the bottom left corner. That means it worked. Want to unbind this bike from your account? Tap the little settings icon in the top right corner, then remove the bike from your account. Easy. And hey, if you ever need help, just reach out to us anytime.